Here we come. 1st and 10, about the 30, I think. Let's see where the marker goes here. He's moving up about 3 or 4 maybe. Looks like 2nd and 7 from here. And oh no, get him. Get out there, guys. There we go. First down, but at least they got out there and got him. For a second, it looked like he was going to break it loose.
Come on, hit him! There you go.
Oh, good tackle. Let's see. Looks like it might be no gain on that. Let's see. Ooh, looks like a loss. Move back a yard. 2nd and 11. First down. Looks like it's about the 32. Let's see. Yep. It was 20 with the ball that time, I think.
Mr. Cook said we can do it. He goes, you can really? Yeah, he was like, yeah.
That always happens down here. You have to move because everybody gets right in front of you.
Let's go, Mickey!
Just don't have enough zoom on them up in the upper ones. It's like the people are ants.
Come on, defense!
Anything again.
Can I take a video of you doing that? No! I know your dad.
There we go. Video down there.
Oh my god! Oh my god, show
3rd and about. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I think that's going to be on the defense. Come down a little further, the players can't go any further. see. That makes it 3rd and about 3.
I was like, you probably do.
At the 33. And there's 24. Looks like first down UE at about the 19.